Eliza really wants to go swimming. Let me see your outfit. Show everyone your outfit, baby. Wow, look at that pose. Supermodel in the making. Good morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. It is already the afternoon. It was a very busy morning. I didn't get a vlog until now, but I spent the morning doing some of those. So all the packages that were ordered up till today, which is a Monday, are going to go out, and it's 12 o'clock. So if your order is after 12, it's gonna mail out tomorrow. But right now we're gonna head over to the post office really quick, then possibly the Goodwill, and then when we get back, Lizo is gonna jump into the pool. Right, Lizo? Are you gonna go swimming? Look at his little outfit. He really wants to swim. His brothers are still at school though. Hey guys, I'm cracking up because I'm using, like, the bear is still inside the car, and I'm using him to prop up the boxes. It's so hilarious. Alright, you guys just got to the back of the post office. Let's go drop off. Alright, you guys just got to the Goodwill. Also, Mom and John just called me. They said they got me some In-N-Out and they're gonna be home soon. So we just gotta be here real quick. So we gotta go home, eat, and let Eliza go swimming. Kid needs to swim. Ooh, look at this coach. It's so colorful. Oh, it's so dirty though. It's another colorful one, but also dirty, and it's fabric. That one's 14. This pink one's kind of cute. 14. Oh, the damage on there is intense too. Alright, let's see what we have here today. Still remember all those bags from last time, pretty much. This jelly bag is new. There's a giant hole. Okay, a bunch of Steve Madden. Juicy, or like a fake Juicy, or Kathy Von Zealand or something. This middle fixture is like totally missing, so it's like feeling really open and awkward. Oh, we got a jumper. What are you? Donna Buckman. Man, all the bags are just like falling out. Oh, also, if you guys are in the LA County area, Thursdays, or this Thursday, is gonna be a double color sale. So check out your local like Goodwills and see if you guys are gonna have a sale this Thursday, because I think, yeah, next week is a holiday, right? So, Labor Day. So check out your local sales. What is this? I don't know what that is. Steve Madden. H&M. Alright, I think that's it for handbags. Let's go check out the rest of the store. Ooh, that hole is really weird though. Where'd everything go? Oh, they have handbags on the back of here now. They didn't used to. Donna Buckman. Alright, nothing still though. Okay, this store has been getting some pretty good shoes as of late. So let's see if we can find anything cool today in terms of shoes. Supra, Osiris, these Mickey Mouse shoes. Oh my gosh, these Thomas, the engine shoes. Whoa, these LL Beans look brand new. They like literally are so new. I can't tell if I like them. I feel like these are not men's shoes. They're like really tight. Alright, guys, I just found these Coach rain boots. They're here on the cart. They're really cute. They look new. size are they? US size 6B. These are so cute. There's no price on them, so I'm gonna have to find out a price. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. It's like a giant thing of corn. How fabulous. $5.99. P.S. Look at all this furniture. This is all new. Oh my gosh, my giant tufted thing is gone. It was gonna go on sale for $1 this week. It went half off this weekend though, so someone might have bought it. But these leather pieces, they're like so modern. They remind me of like furniture that we used to have at Borders when I worked there. Okay, let's check out the furniture. This is kind of cool. See what else we have in the knickknacks. There seems to be a lot of stuff here today. These cute little owls, I think I saw these last time. They're like salt and pepper shakers. So much to look at. Oh my gosh, look at that votive holder. Elephants. Oh, this one, thought it was like another thing of corn, but this is a duck. Oh my gosh, it's a duck. $5.99. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Hold on. I'm trying like not to get it stuck on that thing. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so cute. I love ducks. I'm trying to see if it's broken anywhere, but let's look at the bottom. It doesn't have any maker or anything, so we don't know where it's from. The corn thing, it didn't have like a label or anything, but it was made in Italy. This one doesn't have anything on it though. This little cow, Otagiri. Oh my gosh, this little mermaid thing is gonna give me nightmares. It's so scary looking. Alright, let's go through the plates really quick, and then we're gonna go through the furniture, then we're gonna head out of here because my burger is calling me. Any cool mugs? Trying to scour as quickly as I can. Do you guys see anything? Alright, let's look through the front. Oh, even that other wood thing's gone now too. Man, a lot of stuff is gone that I remember were here before and it took forever for them to sell. But it looks like they finally sold, which is good. Those step things are still here. That picture is from the market, but I see that it's cracked. It's $5.99. Mirror. This mirror is still here. This mirror is actually kind of nice, but like, I don't know what it's made out of. It's not my favorite color. I would definitely paint it. That's pretty. Alright, let's go home. Let's figure out, let's go ask how much this costs. Alright, you guys, check it out. Robot trash. $35 though. Crikey. Oh, this is only $8.99. Ooh, interesting. Do I need this? It's so dirty though. I feel like not really cleaning it. This one's only $3.99. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna get them. We'll think about it. Let's go. The Halloween stuff is coming out already. Alright guys, I did end up getting the shoes. They were $25, but now let's go home. I'm super hungry and I want to go swimming with the lights. So, hey guys, just got home and oh my gosh, look at this delicious food. I'm so excited. And there's Elizo. He's a bear. Oh, you're not a bear.
It's like a cat or something.
You're a cat. You're gonna eat.
No idea. It's really confusing.
It's so like backlit. But yeah, we're gonna go eat right now. I'm so excited. Okay guys, it's a few hours later. I have been working inside the house doing some stuff, but check it out. I wanted to show you guys what mom is currently making. She's grilling, I actually don't know what this is. I think this is like Greek or Middle East or Mediterranean something. And then just some chicken right there. Everything looks so delicious. I cannot wait to eat. Hey guys, okay, so now it's the end of the night and oh my gosh, today was such a busy day, and this whole week, actually this whole month and like next month are just gonna like be out of control, and I'm just like trying to be ready for it, but it's like crazy. But I'm gonna end the video here. I just wanted to say goodbye to you guys and do a couple questions and then a couple comments and our thrift find of the day. So, oh my gosh though, but can we just talk about that chicken that mom made? I have no clue exactly what it is. She's made it before, but it was so good. And there was like this white sauce that she made. I don't think I showed you guys the food after. Like I just like was like chowing down like intensely. But it was so good. It's on my Instagram stories. I think I put it up there. So if you guys do not already follow me, don't forget to add me on there as well, so you guys can check out all of mom's delicious food, because I usually always showcase it on Instagram. So okay, so our first comment here is from Dear Molly Ann. Hi Molly, how's it going? Such good finds. These anther plates are all gorgeous. The details on that orange one. Today I thrifted the Alina butter dish from Anthropologie for $2.99. That is amazing. Congratulations on that. And then I had to go back through all the kitchen serveware plates to see if I could find any more. That's like the story of my life. If I find one thing that I like, I'm like automatically on the hunt again. Even if I went through everything already, I'm like, oh my gosh, I must have missed it. So I just go back and look, not just one more time, but sometimes even twice. And then sometimes I'll like leave and then I'll come back and look again. So it's, you know, like, it's, the thrift is real. It's crazy. Anna Mendoza says the face thing is cool but also creepy. It is honestly kind of creepy looking, but I think it's kind of cool. It would be cool, like I wish I had a set of 3, like one going like this, one going like this, and then like another one. I don't know what it would be doing, but they would be cool for Halloween to just like have, and then maybe like backlight them so like the light will come. It would be pretty cool. They look pretty creepy, and I think that'd be really fun. And then Anna Mendoza also says, is $2.99 too much for an Anthropologie initial mug? I went to my small Goodwill in my town and they have 3. Also, my mom collects Princess House. She'll never say no to it. That's the same with my mom. I'm like, Mom, there's Princess House. She's like, buy it. And I'm like, okay. But as far as the Anthro mug goes, if you love the mug, you should totally get it. Plus $2.99 is not bad. I know when they go on sale at Anthropologie, I think they go for $5 and that's plus tax. So if you're finding it at the Goodwill for $3, I think that's still a good deal, especially if you're just gonna be keeping it for yourself. So I think you should totally get it if you love it. It would be awesome. Stardust says, I always wish I was thrifting with you. It would be fun. The Pyrex, the biggest one is a mixing bowl. The other one with a lid is a casserole dish. Fun items as always. I like your other finds better than the bag hauls just because I'm not into bags as much. Thank you so much. Yeah, you know what? Handbags aren't for everyone, and I just love like kind of like everything. So I'm always like trying to look for everything, but the handbags I think are the easiest for me to find and the ones I'm most familiar with, and the ones that most people like want to purchase. So I am delving into home decor, and I will be listing things up. Again, I keep saying that I'm going to be doing it very soon. I promise it's going to be up. Actually, check right now. itsHadrian.com to see if I listed anything. Hopefully I did. But it's just so crazy. But I'm trying really hard. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video. And then the new one goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Alright guys, so check it out. I found this really awesome pillow. It has like an octopus design on it. And whenever I look for pillows, if they're not new from Target, I always look for the ones that zip off. Which this one does over here. So you can take this out and wash it. And then check out the pillow. The insert is down. And these pillows are usually really expensive. So just the insert itself would be worth it. And this is only $4.